Hey, it's the Ginger Optimist. Welcome to my lifestyle channel. I love having fun in the kitchen cooking using my Instant Pot, the air fryer, sous vide, my Vitamix, even my oven. I enjoy doing DIY projects, especially soaping. I enjoy traveling and all kinds of things. So come and join me. Hey, I'm so glad you joined me today. I'm going to show you how to make a baked potato in the air fryer. The potatoes are nice and clean. I've scrubbed them. Now we're going to pierce them. Bathe them with some olive oil. I'm going to put a little pink Himalayan salt on them. Black pepper. Now we will bake them in the air fryer, and they are going to have that crispy outside and soft, yummy inside. I'm going to put these potatoes in the air fryer pan, get them ready for baking. We're setting it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to set the timer at 22 minutes so that 2 minutes will give time for it to heat up, and then cook for 20 minutes. Then we'll come back, flip the potatoes over, give them another 20 minutes in the air fryer. The timer's gone off. It's time to turn our potatoes over. Let's reset it to 400 degrees. And 20 minutes. Time to check these potatoes. Wow, look how pretty. Look at that beautiful baked potato right in the air fryer. And the most wonderful thing about it is I did not have to heat up my kitchen to make it. These potatoes are so delicious, and it's like getting a potato at a steakhouse. So you can't beat that. Thank you so much for watching The Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you will. I look forward to connecting with you. Leave me comments down below. Thanks again, my friend. God bless. Bye.